Hello, I'm Janet. Let's learn and review HSK1 Grammar and Vocabulary from the story. Today, we will learn 8 grammar rules from sentences. They are all fundamental for beginners, so you can review and practice from time to time. The video will be divided into 3 parts: story, practice, and exercise. The story will be grammar and a sentence. The practice will be sentence and pronunciation. The exercise will be warm-up and quiz time. Okay, let's start with the story. 田中先生，马克先生。是 is a verb, which is used to link two units that are in some way equivalent. 田中先生是日本人。不 is a negative adverb. It's placed in front of a verb to form negative sentences. 马克先生是英国人，不是日本人。和 is conjunction. 马克先生和强尼是英国人。也 is an adverb. 也 indicates a similar situation is being brought up. In Mandarin, adverbs are placed after subjects and in front of verbs. 马克先生是英国人，强尼也是英国人。都 is an adverb. 都 is always placed in front of a verb, and it refers to people or things that have already been mentioned in the sentence. 他们都是英国人。叫 is a verb. It can follow by your full name or given name. 她叫雪莉。呢 is a particle for question formation. Ne is used when some sort of content has been established in the preceding statement. It's placed after a noun or pronoun with the meaning of how about, noun, pronoun. 他是加拿大人，你呢？哪里 is a question pronoun. When using question pronouns to form questions, simply replace the part that you would like to ask in a declarative sentence with the appropriate question pronoun. 你是哪里人？ It's time to practice. We will practice twice. The first time, the sentence will show with 汉语拼音. The second time will show the sentence only. Okay, let's start. 田中先生是日本人。马克先生是英国人，不是日本人。马克先生和强尼是英国人。马克先生是英国人，强尼也是英国人。他们都是英国人。他叫雪莉。他是加拿大人。你呢？ 你是哪里人 ？Great work！ 田中先生是日本人。马克先生是英国人，不是日本人。马克先生和强尼是英国人。马克先生是英国人，强尼也是英国人。他们都是英国人。他叫雪莉。他是加拿大人，你呢？你是哪里人？ Time to exercise. Let's warm up and know some celebrities. The first one is Johnny Depp. China transliteration in 约翰尼·德普. However, Taiwan transliteration in 强尼戴普. The second one is
Andrea Bocelli.
China transliteration in 安德烈波切利. However, Taiwan transliteration in 安德烈波切利. The third one is IU 李知恩. Let's know some countries. 美国、印尼、越南、德国. There are different speaking ways between China and Taiwan in these countries. 韩国、南韩、朝鲜、北韩、意大利、意大利. Let's know some occupations. 歌手、演员、老师、学生. Do you think you have got it? Next, I will give you 5 questions for practice. Each question will appear for 5 seconds, or you can pause the video to think about it for a bit longer. Please share with us and write down your answer in the comment section. Okay, let's start. Do you think you have got it? Please share with us and write down your answer in the comment section. If you think this video is good, please give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe. I will make more videos for Chinese learning. See you next time. Bye bye!